Alright, what's good, YouTube? So today, we got the infamous Mustang GT today. And of course, my boy Kenny.
Gang. What's up, YouTube?
Alright.
So, we got the S550 tail lights. I mean, we've been waiting for these things to come in for a while. Corona has just destroyed shipping. And we just looking to replace the factory and give it a little different look, man. So, we excited. My man Nick's always coming in clutch, and we'll see how long this takes us.
Yeah, hopefully it won't take that long. Apparently
it's daylight right now, so,
yeah,
it's gonna be like 12 a.m. It's gonna be like 8 a.m. So we're gonna get it done.
Yep. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we got one tail light off
Already.
Yep.
We making progress, 15 minutes in. Hold on, wait, I gotta show them the tools, bro. Auto. $20 on plastic, and they feel like they're gonna snap every time. So just know, make sure you try to go to like Dollar Tree or something, find some cheaper tools, because I was hurt, man. We're gonna put that Euro in, and then let's make it happen. Let's do it.
It's also, it's like,
oh yeah,
it's
3 bolts.
3 bolts holds.
Yep.
On each tail light is 3 bolts. You gotta take them out.
Look exactly like that right there.
Yeah. Make sure you don't lose that washer.
Yes. Don't lose anything.
Oh yeah.
You will be hurt. Trust me.
Now, about to put this bad boy in.
Yes, sir.
And
Check them out. Right. I gotta figure out which way we gotta do it. And I know we have to grab this. We should have actually seen how to.
Oh
you know
yeah.
what I mean? Like, but all right, let's get this one out, and then we'll see exactly how they set it.
Alright, so you already got one in, and you
Yes,
can
sir.
already see the dramatic difference.
Ties everything together.
Gosh, versus the red side. Major difference.
It's gonna be clean, man. Super excited. So far, so good.
Yes. Don't let the third tail light discourage you. It's not that hard.
It's not. Don't
really
be
isn't.
nervous.
So what we did was let me see. I ran the yellow wire, which is the one that goes to the brake, and the actual tail lights itself. I ran it through and ran it all through here. Ran it up through the sleeve, and then you go back in the car, and then.
You gotta pull down that airbag.
Yes, bro, and be very careful when you're messing with this pillar right here.
They will destroy a lot of things.
You're going to pull this guy down. It's gonna be an airbag, so be very careful. And then we ran the yellow wire, as you can see. It's right there. We ran it through there. And then you gotta bring it in.
Yep, pull down on it.
Right back up here, because the third brake light, it's right here in this area somewhere, so. Focus, lens.
It's simple. If we can do it, you guys can do it.
So
100%.
It's 2 more clips, and you just clip it, and then you're done. And you just tuck it all back in, and then you're done. He's about to do the hazard ones. Yeah. Oh my God, bro.
Whew. It's nasty.
Oh.
Nick, you can't lie. It's sharp,
insane.
bro. It is so sharp.
Not even being dramatic, bro. These are like, Alright.
Yo, dirty, bro. So dirty. I love them already, bro. Like, do you see that? Like, it looks so good, yo.
Alright. Finally done. Let's start it off. different modes for the tail lights. This is cursor mode, and we feel like that's probably the best mode for it.
100%.
But it's 5 different modes you can go through and select, and they're all pretty cool. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it'll help you if you plan on getting these tail lights, and hopefully it'll make your installation go a little smoother. But that is all today. Thanks for watching.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe, like, and follow my man